Yesterday, today, tomorrow. Every day is a ride. Having a Royal Enfield has always been a dream of mine since I was a kid because of its signature thump, classic looks, and the feeling of riding it. In 1992, my father bought me my dream bike, a Royal Enfield Bullet. Since then, I have grown to love that bike. Every aspect of the Royal Enfield Bullet is beautiful to me. The small town I live in is called Alappuzha in the state of Kerala, India. I was stuck abroad as a result of the pandemic and I really miss riding my bike. I'm taking her for a quick spin around my town as I am on a short vacation. Sometimes people around you won't understand your journey. They don't need to. It's not for them.